All right, today we're going to paint this style I call Metal Mayhem. All right, the question of the day is, who is Softless? All right, let's run through the colors.
Mars Black, Titanium White, Quin Red, Quin Orange, Van Dyke Brown, Phthalo Blue, Turquoise, Phthalo Green, Quin Blue, Primary Yellow.
All right, today we're going to do a painting in a style I call Metal Mayhem. All right, we just got in our initial kind of blue here. We've added a yellow that just has a touch of turquoise in it, so it's like kind of that weird minty green. And so that's kind of blending really nice here. This layer we're going to add a lot warmer colors. So we're going to add kind of a Quin Orange and a yellow to kind of bring this more contrast. All right, for this layer we kind of brought in those warm layers, the orange, a little bit of the yellow white. And it's kind of toned down. I want to bring back in that blue to kind of really make it pop and stand. And also this lime green I'm going to kind of bring back and see where we go from there. So Softless, obviously with the weird letters, is probably, you might have guessed, a graffiti artist out of Brisbane in Australia. Now he started as Wooks, W-O-O-K-S, and then he switched to Softless when he got a little better. So that's kind of, sometimes artists do that in the sense that either the law is kind of catching up with their old moniker, Wooks, and then they switch to Softless to kind of, hide their trail so until they connect the two. Or he just got better and he wanted to kind of distinguish himself from his earlier kind of amateur style. And he got really well known by doing a video in 2013 called Softless Limitless, which I encourage you guys to see. It's really a cool video. And they basically go to Detroit with these abandoned warehouses from all these big car companies that went under during the Depression. And they have these huge empty lots that no one is in. So they basically paint the whole warehouse, 2 or 3 times over. So it's really cool what they do in that video. It really shows the power of graffiti, and is also a great advertisement for Softless, obviously. And that's the artist, Softless. All right, we just finished the painting. Let's take a closer look. So this one has this really nice kind of blue kind of going into purple with a yellow kind of climbing through with a yellow contrast. We got a really punchy red kind of popping through there with the blues and the lighter colors in this one, and also that green at the top corner. This one I liked. It was a really challenge in the sense that it had a lot of light colors and really not a lot of paint on the canvas, so I need to kind of make that blue stand out. Hopefully this will dry a little darker, I think, on the blue, so that'll make it stand out. It is kind of a mid-range painting, which is fine. Most paintings are mid-range, so it just has a little bit of contrast on the blues. It looks pretty good overall. The yellow-white didn't work as well in this painting as my other 3 paintings in this. The red and the green mix is a really nice mixture there. Maybe I should have brought in more red to kind of make that pop, but who knows? You never know how you should do the series right. I like it. Hopefully you guys like it. Give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to see the full version, check my Patreon account. And if you'd like to subscribe, you can subscribe below. And I'll see you in the next painting video, guys. Thanks for watching.